When you hear the title, How to Build Wealth from Nothing in 2025, Proven Strategy, it almost sounds unbelievable. But here's the truth. Every wealthy person you admire, every millionaire you watch online, every entrepreneur who changed their life, all of them started exactly where you are right now, with nothing. No money, no special connections, just a decision. And today, you're about to discover the exact mindset, strategy, and step-by-step wealth-building plan that can take you from zero to financial freedom, starting today. I want you to listen closely, because many people will skip this information, but the ones who pay attention end up changing their entire life. And you're here for a reason. You want something bigger. You're tired of surviving. You want to build wealth, real wealth, from nothing. And yes, it is possible, especially in 2025. Because opportunities today are bigger, faster, and more accessible than ever in history. So pay attention till the last second. Now imagine waking up 1 year from now and saying, I actually did it. Imagine building savings, building assets, building passive income, building online income streams, investing small amounts that turn into big results, and watching your financial life change slowly at first. Then suddenly, that's exactly what happens when the right habits, the right strategy, and the right systems come together. And that's what we're doing in this video. Let's go deep into how to build wealth from nothing in 2025. Proven strategy. Because this strategy is designed for real people, people like you who may have low income, high expenses, or pressure from life that makes the journey harder. But the truth is, if you start today, even with zero, you can build financial momentum faster than you think. First, you need to understand the difference between being broke and being poor. Broke is temporary. Poor is a mindset. Broke means you don't have money right now. Poor means believing you'll never have it. You must never accept the second one. If you're broke today, that's fine, because this is exactly where the wealth-building journey begins. Every millionaire started broke, but they made one decision: you must also make it today. I will never stay where I am. That decision flips your brain from survival mode to opportunity mode. And opportunity mode is the core of any wealth strategy. Now let's go deeper. In 2025, building wealth from nothing is easier because of one simple shift. You don't build wealth with money. You build it with skills. High-income skills are the foundation. Skills like digital marketing, editing, graphic design, coding, content creation, AI automation, and sales can turn $0 into your first $100. Once you build a skill, the next step in how to build wealth from nothing in 2025, proven strategy, is turning that skill into income streams. In 2025, there are hundreds of ways to monetize skills: freelancing, remote work, short-form content, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, AI tools, service businesses, and selling digital products. These are high-volume, low-competition opportunity zones right now. This is where 90% of people don't even try, but you will. Because the fastest way to build wealth from nothing is creating value. Money always follows value. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake most people make. They wait for the right time. They wait for money, motivation, or miracles. But wealth is built daily, not someday. When you start small, you activate momentum. You make progress. And progress creates confidence. Confidence creates consistency. Consistency creates wealth. Here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need a perfect plan. You need action. Money is attracted to action takers, not wishers. Now, once you're earning your first bit of money, you must do what the average person never does. Save intentionally, not emotionally. You must save with a purpose to invest. Because saving alone will never make you wealthy. Inflation kills savings, but investing multiplies money. And this is where the proven wealth strategy truly begins. When you have your first $50 saved, your first $100, your first $500, you invest it into assets, not liabilities. Assets like index funds, ETFs, fractional shares, real estate funds, and long-term growth portfolios. This is the secret that wealthy people use. They buy assets, not lifestyle. They let money grow while they sleep. This is the heart of how to build wealth from nothing in 2025. Proven strategy. Because investing is the multiplier that transforms small income into long-term wealth. But I'm going to tell you the uncomfortable truth. Before you build wealth, you must fix your habits. Wealth is not just about money. It is about discipline. The discipline to say no to things that keep you broke. The discipline to avoid debt traps. The discipline to invest instead of spending. The discipline to learn instead of wasting time. Your habits decide your future long before your income does. The sooner you understand this, the faster your wealth journey will accelerate. Now let's talk about something powerful: your environment. You cannot build wealth around people who think small. You cannot grow around people who complain more than they learn. You need to surround yourself with motivation, knowledge, mindset, and ambition. If you don't have people like that around you physically, use YouTube, books, podcasts, and online communities. Build a digital environment that pushes you forward every day. This alone will change your life completely. Now, let's take everything we discussed and combine it into a clear, step-by-step strategy for how to build wealth from nothing in 2025. Proven strategy. Start today with skill building. Pick one skill. Spend 30 days learning deeply, then 30 days monetizing it. Use that income to build a savings base. Then turn that savings into investments. Keep your expenses low. Avoid lifestyle upgrades. Multiply your income streams. Stay disciplined and watch your financial life transform. You will notice something magical happen after 6 months. You will stop thinking like a broke person. You will think like an investor. You will think like a builder. You will think like wealth is possible. Then, after 1 year, the results become real. And that's when you'll look back and say, I actually built wealth from nothing. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your year. Before we end, let me give you the most powerful truth. You don't need permission to be wealthy. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need luck. You just need yourself, your effort, your consistency, and your belief. Wealth begins the moment you decide you deserve it, and today, you do. And if you want more videos on how to build wealth, how to invest, how to make money online, and how to create financial freedom step by step, visit the channel for the next video. Your future is waiting for you. CTA. Subscribe now and unlock your wealth journey today.